What if you could get easy Google traffic with almost no effort? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can do just that. Let's go ahead and dive into it.
Before you get started, make sure to click the notification bell and make sure to subscribe so that you can get more videos like this in the future.
First, keep in mind I said almost no effort. There's going to be a little bit of effort. That being said, here are 4 of the easiest ways to get traffic quickly. Now keep in mind there's more than 4 ways. These are just a few that I think you'll really like. Number 1, Google Trends. Google Trends has a couple reports that I think you'll really like. The first one is real-time searches. This report is going to show you how many people are searching for a query in real time over the course of a day. There's also another report called Daily Searches. That report's going to give you trends for the entire day. And then there's another report called Breakout Queries. All 3 of these reports help you identify terms that have just jumped on to the Google search market recently. So how do you use these? Well, it's pretty simple. Create a page on your website, get it indexed, and be first to market so that you can get a nice spike in traffic from a page that addresses what the user is looking for. That's a very easy way to get traffic spikes with almost no effort, just one page that's being created. Number 2, inside of Google Search Console, there is a report that shows you all the searches that are happening where Google serves a page on your website. If you go and look in this report, often you're going to find search queries where Google is serving your website, but you don't even have a page that you've created that actually is optimized for that term. For example, if Google was showing a page on your website for red bicycles, but you only had a page for bicycles, that would be a good indicator for you to create a page on red bicycles. If you were to create this page, you would jump to the top because Google would want to rank that new page that you have that's more specific for that search query. This is a great exercise inside of Google Search Console. Make sure you identify the keywords Google is showing your website for, but you might not have a page for it yet. Number 3, inside of Google Search Console, it's a great exercise to look at all the pages that you have a very low click-through rate for, and then look at all the pages that you have a very high click-through rate for, and take the titles and descriptions for the pages that you have a high click-through rate, and make sure you incorporate what you're doing on that page for the pages that have a low click-through rate. That's going to allow you to increase your click-through rates and get more easy Google traffic just by simply updating a title and description on a page. Number 4, there's something called the Google Question Hub. What is the Google Question Hub? The Google Question Hub is an area where Google finds all the search questions out there that they don't have content for yet. This is a huge opportunity for you because you can log in, you can find all the unanswered questions and then answer them on your website and submit them directly to Google. This is an easy way to get fast Google traffic. These are a few ways to get easy Google traffic with almost no effort. Keep in mind, there always is some effort when it comes into search engine optimization. And if you have a brand new website, it's always pretty tough the first couple of years, but this is a lot easier for older websites. If you watched this video and you liked it, you're probably gonna like another video I made on how to sculpt a page that ranks number 1 in Google. Go ahead and click the link below and you can watch that video I created on how to rank number 1 in Google and sculpt the perfect web page now. Go ahead and click the link. See you next time.